Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Culture Carton. If you are not new here, you've seen this box a ton of times. If you are, hi, welcome. I'm Ashley. I unbox boxes. This is a monthly men's. I mean, we use that really loosely because I love everything in this box, and I look forward to it each month. So each box has an essential book for every bookshelf, plus an assortment of themed lifestyle items. The box is high value. They do list the retail values of each of the items that you receive. This box right here is their standard box. It's $45 plus shipping. I do have a coupon code for you, TREE, for 20% off your first box. There is also just the lifestyle items. That's $35 plus shipping. And there's also just the book. That's $16. This is the November box, as usual. The holidays, I'm late. So you open it up. It says Culture Carton. I'm super excited because it's like very blue. Like, look at that vibe. I'm feeling it. That looks like a scarf too, which means I'm keeping it. Look, this is, I'm going to be honest. I give some of the items to my husband. I skim off the top, and I think if you subscribe to it, you could too. I'm just saying. Just kidding. All right, so this is the Alarcon box. Now, we're not going to peek here because it does give away some, look, I had red nail polish on for Christmas, and then I took it off, and it stained my fingers. It does give you every item in here, and then their retail value. So we're going to look at that at the end, and we're just going to bust into this stuff. Gentlemen of the North. So this is, we did receive something from them before. I think it was a lapel pin. It's a Canadian brand. It's very nice. This is a nice scarf. This is really cool. This might be one item that I keep for myself. Just saying. Very pretty. I love that color scheme. All right. Next we have, I might have this whole box for myself. I'm just saying. All right. So next we have celebrity socks. Top shelf. Ooh, these are like wool blend. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. So it's a 30% wool. I was right. 60% acrylic, 5% spandex, and 5% elastic. Look at them. These are super cute. Who would give these to their... I'm not giving those away. No, those are for me. All right. This is like a very fall vibe box. You can see it was for November. This is 10 Fed. This is a beanie cap, which... I'll be honest, I will also keep for, I'm just going to be completely honest, I love this color. Look at this beautiful, like, cranberry, I don't know, maroon, I guess. I almost want to say eggplant, but it's not purple enough. It's just a very, very, very pretty color. And I like it, so I'm going to keep it. 10 Fed, providing 10 meals for every item sold. So it's a philanthropic company as well. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm curious to know more. And I like it. It's cute, right? All right, our book. So we're down to our book now. At Night We Walk in Circles. I don't have this. So this is a novel by Daniel Alarcon, finalist for the PEN Faulkner Award, New York Times. Wise and engaging, a gorgeously nuanced work, the New York Times Book Review. I don't have this, and I've never heard of it. So that is really cool. This is a new book. My husband always is like, what'd you get in that? What book did you get? What'd you get in there? And I'm like, well, you gotta wait, buddy, because I didn't even open the box yet. All right, so there's that, and then, oh, it's just a little piece of cardboard. So let's look at the card and see the values of each of them. So the book is $16. The Gentleman of the North scarf is $30. The 10 Fed beanie is $25. The Celebrity Socks boot socks are $12, and the total value of this box is $83. So you spend $45 and you get almost double that, which is awesome. I love it. If you're interested in the full review, I will be linking to that below. I will also link down below to Culture Carton, put my coupon code down there too, so you can check them out if you want. That is not, by the way, that is not an affiliate code. I don't get any commission on that. I'm just sending you their way. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.